definitely interested in this short here if we can get back up into 46.01, right? But I have to get a good setup at it. So
Order filled.
yeah. I'm looking to be short back into this volume. Let's see how we act back here at 80. We keep trading this area here. And I want to take some profits on this. So I'm just watching close here. I'm watching close, watching close. Bulls will buy this up at any time, right? But where are they? So I want to, the 93 area is definitely a place of interest for taking profits. I should probably be peeling this off as I go. You know, I'm up a few bucks on these, so I'm gonna start paying myself. I'm gonna be really greedy here, I think, with this order. I got my stop in place in case we pop up too much here. It's basically a buck over my average, you know, so no matter what, this is a win. We get over 45.92.43, and I'm gonna take a piece off. We stay under it, I'm all in. Now, I know we're just popping to the 5-minute 9, but that's all right. I'm paying myself because we could blow right through the 5-minute 9. So I'm down to 5 contracts, 25%. I want. It still turned out to be about 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, I'm still up. Right now, I'm up $3 on this. Right now. So that was the benefit of getting in up here. Not waiting too long to get in.